Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a login page in Elementor using WordPress. This is incredibly useful. If you want to customize your site's login experience and make it match your brand's aesthetic perfectly, let's dive right in and get this set up. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center where you manage everything related to your website. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find a variety of menu options. Look for the one labeled Pages and click on it. This section is where you'll manage all the static pages on your WordPress site. After clicking on Pages, you'll see a button near the top that says Add Page. Go ahead and click on that. This action will create a brand new page for you to work with. You'll be taken to a screen where you can start building your page from scratch. Now in the title field at the top of the page, type Login. This title is important because it helps you identify the page in your WordPress dashboard and can also be used for navigation purposes on your site. Having a clear descriptive title makes managing your pages much easier down the line. Once you've entered the title, look for the button that says Edit with Elementor. Click on this button to launch the Elementor Page Builder interface. Elementor is a powerful drag and drop editor that gives you complete control over your page design without needing to write any code. When you click this, the page will load in Elementor's visual editing environment. Now you're in the Elementor editor. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a search bar within the Widgets panel. In the search bar, type login/register form, or simply look for this widget in the list. The login/register form widget is specifically designed to add login and registration functionality to your page. Once you locate it, click on the widget to add it to your page. You can drag it to the exact position where you want it to appear. After you've added the widget and customized it to your liking, it's absolutely crucial that you save your work. Look towards the upper right corner of the page where you'll see a button beside the Publish button. Click on this Save button to ensure all your changes are stored properly. This step prevents you from losing any of the design work you've just completed. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom login page in Elementor using WordPress. This gives you a professional-looking login experience that seamlessly integrates with the rest of your website design. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.